So for the apple cake, I'm gonna be using two Honeycrisp apples, but you can use Granny Smith or any other kind of sour apple. And I'm gonna be using just a regular old-fashioned Pyrex, which is a 12 by 9 Pyrex. And I'm about to slice my apples right now. I would say about this thick. Oh my gosh, these apples are so juicy. Okay, so I ended up using 3 apples instead of 2, and they're at the bottom of the Pyrex, and we're gonna prepare them right now. I'm actually gonna use my hand mixer today because it's a lot easier to do this with the hand mixer. And I'm gonna prepare the apples, and then we're gonna do the batter. We're gonna move to the other side. I'm gonna preheat my oven at 350 degrees. Also going to go ahead and sprinkle some lemon juice on my apples, just like that. A little bit of lemon juice. And I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon on my apples. And also some sugar. Notice that there's no real measurement here. I'm just sprinkling a little bit of each thing. A little bit of lemon, a little bit of cinnamon, and a little bit of sugar. Sprinkle. That is all you have to do. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and melt my butter. Melted butter, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. A lot of vanilla going in here. All right. I'm gonna take my hand mixer and mix everything together. We'll end up with this kind of crumbly dough. After mixing it with a hand mixer, this is the texture right here. And we will just add the last ingredient, which is a whole cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese or any other cream cheese that you can find at the store. We're gonna mix this in as well. This is gonna be so good. I'm gonna mix that in there, believe it or not. You can always do this by hand, but I really prefer the mixer. So I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on the apples. Just a few pieces, little pieces of butter. And I have my mix here, and we're gonna go ahead and spoon it in. Notice that it looks just like a cookie dough, kind of, but not very well mixed. And we're gonna go ahead and spoon that into our apples. We're going to spoon this onto our Pyrex with the apples on it. And here we go. Almost done. I want to use all the dough because in the end, we want it, once it's baked, we want it to cover the whole thing. And this you're gonna bake for a while. It doesn't bake that quickly. It has to be slow baked. So 350 degrees is the most that you can do this at. Okay. It does not look how it's gonna look after it's baked. All right, so we are done. So we are going to check on it right now and see if it's ready. It's a little bit golden brown, it's good. Yeah, I think. Sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar at the top to make it more golden. And leave it in the oven for a minute. Another minute. It is now ready to be taken out of the oven. Now we're gonna go ahead and just drizzle it with some caramel. So I cannot really explain how this cake tastes. You're gonna have to try it yourselves. All I know is that the textures are so good. It's like a strawberry shortcake, but warm, and apple instead. So we're gonna put it on our plate. Went ahead and put some with whipped cream, or you can serve it with ice cream if you would like.